Hello everyone, welcome to Cold Grades. So, today we will talk about types of what are LLMs. LLMs are basically just large AI models LLMs are just large sophisticated AI models that are good at NLP tasks, that are good at natural language processing tasks. So, there are multiple types. First, we will talk about autoregressive models. So, autoregressive model is nothing but just a next word predictor model. If we have an example, the weather today is in its data mapped inside an autoregressive model. It just maps out all of the probabilities for all of the worlds, and based on that it selects the highest probability. In that case, in this specific case, it could be rainy depending on the data it is trained. So autoregressive models are nothing but next word predictor models. These models are good for human like text, like writing. Look, these models are good at generating stories, having conversation, etc. Coming on to transformer models. Transformer is used as a foundational architecture for models like BERT and GPT. The uniqueness of transformer is it has attentional. Now, the unique thing about transformer is it has self attention. There are other things too, but so transformer models just weigh the importance of all of the words in a sentence when processing each word. So, transformer is used as foundational architecture for models like BERT and GIP. The key innovations were self-attention. Then there were other one of the key innovations in transformer model was self-attention. It predicts the words based on past words, right? Because of this transformer unlocks deep understanding of the context, like along the sentence paragraph. Coming on to encoder decoder models main job is to transform one sequence into another. Now, these models are good at summarizing articles, translating languages, answering questions based on text, however. So, how does encoder decoder model work? Encoder's main job is to read and understand the entire input. Decoder mainly focuses on generating new output. Based on previous context or previous words. Two key idea of this encoder decoder model was having two specialized models collaborate with each other. That was the key idea of encoder decoder model. Coming on to pre-trained and fine-tuned models. Pre-trained models are massively broadly pre-trained models are just massively general. Pre-trained models are basically Pre-trained models are usually trained on a large amount of data to grasp language fundamentals. Fine-tuned models or domain-specific models are task-specific models that are trained or that are fine-tuned on specific data to adapt to work on specific cases that are basically fine. Coming on to multilingual models. These models are mainly trained on multiple languages so that it can understand and get the context over multiple languages. These models. Now, coming on to hybrid models are basically models that are combined. Some large language models are a combination of different architecture, maybe transformer, maybe encoder only, maybe decoder only, or something else. This is basically unique advantage hybrid models have to mix and match techniques. So yeah, basically that's an hybrid model.